Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're tired of using countless products for hair growth and still not seeing results, today's review could be the game changer you've been waiting for. We're diving into the Curls Blueberry Bliss Blissful Lengths Liquid Hair Growth Vitamin, an exciting liquid formula designed to grow, strengthen, and maintain healthy hair, nails, and skin. If you're curious whether this will be the boost your beauty routine needs, keep watching. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with honest reviews like this. So what exactly is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Blissful Lengths Liquid Hair Growth Vitamin? As a liquid supplement, it promises to absorb directly into your bloodstream, bypassing the usual digestive process that pills undergo, making it more effective than traditional capsules. This vitamin is specifically targeted at those with wavy, curly, and coily hair types. It claims to not only help with hair growth, but also improve the overall health of your hair, nails, and skin. It's infused with blueberry extract and a blend of vitamins designed to optimize hair health and promote length retention. Now, let's get into how this product performs in real life. I've been using it consistently for the past few weeks to really put it to the test. First off, the liquid formula is easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You take a small dose, and it's absorbed pretty quickly without any aftertaste or residue, which was a pleasant surprise. No mess, no fuss, just straightforward application. As someone with curly hair myself, I was eager to see if it would actually make a difference, and I have to say, the results were noticeable. My hair felt stronger, looked shinier, and had less breakage overall. While I didn't notice a dramatic increase in length within the first few weeks, the overall health of my curls definitely improved, which is a great sign of the product working its magic on a deeper level. So let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the fact that this liquid formula absorbs so well is a major plus. You're getting 100% of the nutrients directly into your bloodstream, and I did notice my hair felt stronger and more nourished after regular use. The blueberry scent is also pretty lovely, not overwhelming, just a light fruity fragrance that's pleasant during application. Another thing I appreciate is that it's formulated without caffeine, so you won't get any jittery side effects or an energy spike, just the hair benefits. On the flip side, one downside I noticed is that it's a bit on the pricier side for a supplement. Considering the small bottle size, 8 Uts, it might take a couple of months to really see long-term benefits, which means you'll need to keep repurchasing. Also, while my hair felt better overall, the hair growth was more gradual, so you need to have some patience with this one. When it comes to value for money, I would say this product falls on the higher end of the scale, but it's justified by its absorption rate and the quality of the ingredients. If you're someone who's serious about hair growth and wants a product that works from the inside out, this could definitely be worth it. If you're on a tighter budget, there are more affordable supplements out there that claim to do the same thing, but they may not absorb as effectively. So it's really about weighing the long-term benefits. In terms of alternatives, you can find other hair growth vitamins on the market for a fraction of the price, but they often come in pill form, which means you're only absorbing a fraction of the nutrients. If you're not keen on liquid vitamins, you might consider Sugar Bear Hair or Viviscal, which have similar claims, though they may not have the same potent absorption factor. The packaging is clean and simple, which I like. It's not fancy, but it's functional. I didn't notice any issues with leakage, and the bottle size is practical for keeping on your bathroom shelf. Plus, the fact that it's liquid makes it easier to consume, especially for those who have trouble swallowing pills. If you're looking for a supplement that actually lives up to its promises, and you're ready for gradual but real improvements in the health of your hair, nails, and skin, I would say the Curls Blueberry Bliss Blissful Lengths Liquid Hair Growth Vitamin is definitely worth a try. Just keep in mind that consistency is key, and results may take some time, but the improvements in hair strength and overall health are worth it. If you've used this product or have any experience with liquid hair growth vitamins, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear what worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.